Action.
Welcome to today's adventure, and this is my 9th video, and I'm playing you never heard about ABC, y'all? And I'm playing one of the games of it. It's called Snoring, okay. and there's lots of other levels, but I'm just showing the usual one.
Okay.
The elephant rumbling snores and are feeding. Help wake him up. Okay. Try clicking on the owl. This is just awesome, right guys? Crazy levels, but there's other animals while you're going higher.
And this is Sky.
This is Sky who's crying for the rest of the video, maybe. Don't worry about the owl falling. Just need to worry about the elephant falling. Zebras are very jumpy. I'll show you while the pic is rolling down. See? If it hits there, it won't never going to get there. Click to roll the cow, and then click it again to stop him. This just makes nonsense, you tell him, because this is going to be Silly Town. But he rolls again, and a neutral farm animal again. And he doesn't look like neutral. Let's see that again, because that was my mistake. Bump on the giraffe and tip them over. In other words, you don't have no idea what I am doing. You just have little X's on their eyes. The penguins spin away when they get pushed. You tell them, boom! This is like an awesome game to tell yourself. But the level will get harder and harder, and I'm on 3rd grade to find this game. Now use the animals' abattoir. What that is?
Abilities.
But that's all of them, but it's okay. But sometimes you need to move the zebra, because sometimes that you tell yourself. This makes sense.
Look what Sky's doing.
Look what Sky's doing.
He's dancing on the table.
Dancing on the table. Here's the weirdest thing ever. See, sometimes the zeros can lift up animals. This makes weird. Boink. Whee! Having a ride! The pig is already rolling, but let's replay this if you fail. See what happens if you didn't do early? I'm making all the... It took me a while to get this correctly. Does it drive you nuts? Right? Does this drive you nuts? This just drives me nuts. But finally, you say yourself.
Last stage, okay?
You say to yourself, what? Try again. This time you need to make the horse while drop it, bounce it. Fail. Plan B, crazy. Great. Gorgeous. This is just driving you crazy, right, Dad?
Yeah, keep trying. You keep trying.
Do you need to drop the owl while... About now. Bounce it. Oh, Planet. Crazy drivings. Clandy. So mad. Crazy. Out of control. Out of control. This is out of control, Dad. You need to hit the end. This is just annoying, right, guys? This is so crazy driving.
Head back. You're blocking the screen.
This is way crazy, you tell yourself now. Bad idea. I need to get past this level. Jump him. Oh, too much. This is driving me crazy now, Dad.
Keep trying. No. See, you can drop the owl.
The owls always need to be dropped.
Well,
Too early, right? Right, Dad?
Yeah.
Too early.
No.
Great. This is like impossible, you tell yourself. I want him to get past this level. Finally, you say yourself.
Okay, now sign off.
Huh?
You're done. 5 minutes already.
What? That quick?
Sign off and then you could do it again. Sign off. Okay, say you're done and
I'm done.
work. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. See you at the next video.
1, 2, 3.